there is some people who are extortionists in the camp of opposition. Their business is collecting money from unsuspecting candidates. We want to warn them that we can't move far with this kind of people in the struggle. Otherwise, you will be puncturing us before we make a move. And I want to call upon my senator, stop being petty. We know what runs around in your blood. You have tried to delay us, but we are not going to accept. We know what kind of material you are made of. But I want to, again as a governor, to remain sober, focused in terms of making or to be part of the government which will come in 2027.